Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I've got a really cool one for you. This is a 1983 Chevrolet C10 that's been through a nut and bolt restoration. It's got a custom paint job on it that is a House of Colors candy called Tangelo, and it looks really nice on this truck. Out in the sunlight, this thing just pops like crazy. The truck also has a brand new 383 crate motor in it, a built TH350 transmission, 12-bolt rear end with 353 gears, which is a perfect ideal match with that transmission. It gives you good drivability on interstate and on just normal, around town streets. But overall, a really clean truck. Like I said, this is a nut and bolt restoration, guys. This thing came completely off the frame. Everything was tore apart, and you'll see that as we go through this review on this truck. It is really nice, guys. This is one of the nicest square bodies we've had here at Collectible Motorcar. We'll start up front here. You got that classic 83 front end, grille, bumper, everything is brand new. You've got a steel cowl hood on this truck. It's a 2.5-inch cowl hood, somewhere around that size there. Your cowl's all painted really nice. And when you paint candy like this, you have to know what you're doing. And the gentleman that painted this knew what he was doing. This truck also has 8 coats of clear on it, so you can buff on this thing for days and you're not worrying about burning through anything. And it just makes the paint look really deep and shine really nicely. All the glass on this truck is brand new. You've got some gloss black wiper arms here that look really nice. All the paint on this truck is just really nice, guys. The video doesn't do it any justice. Up front, we've got 20-inch Koi wheels. They're the Rally Sport XL wheel is what they call it. It's just a replica of the stock style rally wheel that came on these trucks, and it looks really nice on this truck. The 20-inch gives it a lot better look versus like a 15-inch wheel, in my opinion. Well, look at the door here. The door is in excellent condition. Body lines are nice and even. It sits nice and flush with the fender, which is what you're looking for on a nice truck like this. Door handles, mirrors, everything look new. All your weather stripping around the door and the wing window are in excellent condition. The chrome trim here that's usually here has been painted in a gloss black to kind of match the theme of the truck. Overall, very nice. You got your drip rail here that looks really clean. I'm not seeing any kind of paint imperfections. Paint on the roof of the cab is really nice as well. I always like to open up the doors to show you that the truck door shuts good. If you look at the cab here, the cab is nice and clean. Your gap here on the door is nice as well. So we work our way down the bedside here. Bedside is in excellent condition. I'm looking down the side of the truck here. Body lines are nice and sharp. I'm not seeing any waviness or anything like that on the bedside and the cab and the door there and the fenders. Out back here, once again, you got the 20-inch Koi wheels. Looks really nice. Clean looking wheel on this truck and fits the build very nicely. We work our way around the back side of the truck here. Classic tailgate, got a roll pan in the back, and you got some LED tail lights that look really good. You also have an oak bed in this truck that looks really good with the stainless steel rails. Just a really clean look versus just having the normal metal floor in there. Definitely gives it that classic look that everyone loves. But overall, a very nice truck, guys. But we're gonna work our way back up front so I can show you that 383 under the hood. All right, guys. So this is where I'm going to show you some of the attention to detail on this restoration. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, they blew this truck completely apart. You can see that the firewall has all been painted really nicely. Even the bottom of the hood, they painted in a really nice gloss black, also to match the front radiator shroud here on the front end, which looks really nice. Your tubs are also painted in a gloss black. You've got a beautiful 383 engine here with some black valve covers and that the Heartbeat of America air breather lid there that looks really good and fits right at home in this engine bay. You've got a 750 CFM carburetor on here, which is really nice. Ceramic coated long tube headers, AC, upgraded polished alternator, aluminum intake, power brakes, all the things that you want on a classic truck like this, and it runs as good as it looks, guys. But we're gonna wrap this up and we're gonna work to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, let's check out this killer interior. Once again, torn apart, everything's brand new. Same with the interior here. You got an awesome TMI bench seat. You've got a really nice Forever Sharp steering wheel with the wood grain and the polished center, which is really nice. You got a nice painted black steering column. You also got the Dakota digital gauges that are done in the orange to match the exterior of the truck. You got vintage AC, brand new carpet, brand new door panels with the billet style window cranks, which is really nice. brand new headliner, brand new visors. The dash is in excellent condition. You also have a retro sound radio. Your brake pedal and your gas pedal is brand new as well. We also have a ton of paperwork on this truck. If you're interested, we've got pictures on our website, and we can get you more pictures of that if you're interested. But overall, the interior is fantastic on this truck and all brand new. But let's get to my favorite part. Let's go take this bad boy for a drive. All right, guys, we're out driving in the C10, and man, let me tell you, this thing drives like a brand new truck. The biggest thing that I'm really impressed with is just the overall way the truck drives. The steering is really nice. It's really responsive. When you turn it, the truck turns. It's not sloppy like them old worn out gearboxes that you have in like those unrestored C10s. This one's really nice. The brakes feel really good on this truck too. AC's blowing ice cold. Transmission shifts good. Overall, a great driving truck. I mean, track's nice and straight down the road. No problems with that. The suspension rod's really nice. The new tires on here are quiet. I mean, just overall, a fantastic truck. I guarantee you, if you buy this truck, you will not be disappointed. And one thing that I really like about it is it has all the modern things like upgraded gauges, AC, nice interior, modern seat that's comfortable to sit in. It's all the things that you're gonna like and that your wife's gonna like, or your son, or whoever's riding with you is gonna really enjoy driving in this truck. One of the other things I forgot to mention is the exhaust on the truck sounds really good. It's not crazy loud where it's droning super loud in the cab and you're hearing all this weird noises. It's actually really quiet in here. But when you step down on the gas, you can hear the V8 and it sounds really, really nice. But guys, we're gonna head back to the dealership, put this one up on the lift so we can show you how nice the bottom side is. All right, guys, we're back here at the dealership and we got the C10 up on the lift for you here. As you can see, it's very nice under here. This was a frame off restoration. Took the cab, the bed, everything off, pulled the engine out. They repainted the frame in a nice gloss black. Brand new transmission, brand new engine in here. You've got upgraded tubular upper and lower A-arms here, all new suspension components up here, new gearbox, lowering springs, all the things that you want on a nice truck like this. Brand new motor here, oil pan's nice and dry, built TH350 with a shift kit, heavy duty components on the inside of the transmission, a shift kit, all the stuff you want in a sport truck. You've got the nice ceramic long tube headers here with the true dual exhaust. It's really nice. Polyurethane bushing here for your transmission mount, which is very nice. Floor pans are in excellent condition underneath here, look really nice. Got a brand new fuel tank here, which is really nice. Frame looks fantastic. I'm not seeing any kind of damage or anything to the frame. All your fuel lines and brake lines are ran really nice in the frame there with P-clamps, which keeps everything nice and tight to the frame. It looks really good. So our way out back here, leaf springs, air shocks, 12-bolt rear end. I did mention earlier that this is a 353 gear, which it is, and it is posi. So both tires spin when you do a burnout or when you're putting that 383 to good use and pulling off from a light and stab it. Both tires are going to spin, which are going to give you good traction, and they do good burnouts. The dual exhaust comes out and dumps out on each side of the bed back here, but overall, very, very clean. You do have drum brakes in the back that are brand new. Guys, this is an awesome truck, and the price is really, really good for a truck of this level, going through this much work and this type of restoration. If you guys are interested in this beautiful truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. If you want to see all the detailed pictures that we do on our vehicles or on this truck, go to collectiblemotor.com and click on inventory, scroll down until you see this truck, and you can view it all there. We also have a very detailed description on this truck that has all the information, all the parts, and everything that you'd want to know for this truck. So definitely go check that out as well. I'm sure I missed out on a few things. But guys, we're going to wrap up this video, so we'll catch you on the next one.